Join me as I take on the challenge of staying healthy this winter while COVID cases are on the rise. Let's see what it really takes. As we head into the winter season, it's more important than ever to prioritize our health and well-being. With COVID-19 cases on the rise, it's crucial that we take proactive steps to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Winter can be a challenging time for our health, with the cold weather making us more susceptible to seasonal illnesses like the flu and common colds. The added threat of COVID-19 only makes matters worse, as it can lead to more severe health complications, especially for those with compromised immune systems. On top of that, the stress and anxiety of the holiday season can also take a toll on our mental health. It's no wonder that many of us feel drained and exhausted by the time the winter months come to an end. The good news is that there are steps we can take to stay healthy and thrive during this time. By being mindful of our habits and making a few simple changes, we can boost our immunity and reduce our risk of getting sick. One of the biggest challenges of winter is the lack of sunlight and fresh air, which can lead to feelings of fatigue and lethargy. It's easy to get stuck in a rut and fall into unhealthy habits, like relying on comfort foods and skipping exercise. But it's precisely during this time that we need to push ourselves to stay active and engaged, even when the weather outside is cold and gloomy. Another challenge is the fact that winter is a time when we're more likely to be cooped up indoors with others, which can make it easier for germs to spread. By taking precautions like washing our hands frequently and avoiding close contact with people who are sick, we can reduce our risk of getting infected. In the next few minutes, we'll explore some of the most effective strategies for staying healthy this winter, from nutrition and exercise to mental well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, manage stress, or simply feel more energized and focused, we've got you covered. One of the most important things we can do to stay healthy this winter is to focus on our nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help boost our immunity and give us the energy we need to power through the day. It's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially when we're indoors where the air can be dry and stagnant. Exercise is also crucial, even if it's just a short walk outside or a few minutes of stretching each day. By incorporating physical activity into our daily routine, we can improve our mood, reduce stress, and even boost our immune system. In addition to nutrition and exercise, it's also important to prioritize our mental well-being this winter. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing exercises, meditate, or engage in a hobby we enjoy. By taking care of our mental health, we can reduce our stress levels, improve our mood, and even boost our immune system. It's also important to stay connected with loved ones and friends, whether it's through video calls, phone calls, or in-person visits. Social connections are key to our overall health and well-being, and can help us feel more supported and less isolated during the winter months. So, what are some of the most effective tips or practices that can significantly boost our immunity and overall health during this time? One of the most important things we can do is to get enough sleep each night. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep to help your immune system fight off infection and disease. Another key strategy is to manage our stress levels through techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. By reducing our stress levels, we can improve our mood, boost our immune system, and even reduce our risk of getting sick. Finally, make sure to wash your hands frequently, especially after using the bathroom and before eating. To recap, staying healthy this winter requires a combination of healthy habits, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and prioritizing our mental well-being. By taking proactive steps to boost our immunity and reduce our risk of getting sick, we can thrive during this time and come out stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any tips or experiences for staying healthy during the winter months, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health-related content and tips for living your best life.